everyone, this is Nancy from class 12th Members Academy. Today I would like to describe you the difference between British English and American English. So, as we all know that English is the most spoken language in the whole world. There are 160 distinct delegates in which English is spoken. Among the areas in which English is spoken, differences are obviously common to arise. So, the two main varieties of the English is British English versus American English. So there is an old saying that the American English and the British English are the two nations, are the two varieties of English divided by a common language. It's funny, right? Obviously, it's funny. No one knows that who says that phrase, but it's completely shows the truth. It completely reflects among the truth. So the truth which we show is that it shows the minds of the British peoples towards the American peoples of how they show about the English. As we all know that the Britishers introduced the English in America they call it American English, but actually the origin of the English is by Britisher. So as we all know that the main and the obvious difference between British English and an American English is the vocabulary. There are different words to describe the same thing. I would like to show you the examples here as we all see that biscuit versus cookie यानी कि Britishers calls biscuit whereas American calls cookie. It's the same word. Biscuits and cookie to describe the same thing. It's two different words, but the thing is same. Second, we have chips and fries. Chips and fries are both used for French fries, which we call it Indian. As we all know that Indians adopted their words from both British and American English. So there are words that are similar to some British versus an American, but here is an exception is that aubergine versus eggplant. It's called brinjal. Britishers calls brinjals aubergine, whereas American calls brinjals eggplant. It's the main difference and the most controversial word in the world. Next we have flats and apartment. As we all know that, suppose we are living in New York, we will say, I live in apartment. Whereas if we live in British, yani ki London, if we live in London, we say we live in flats. That's the main difference among them. As we can say, if we are Britishers, we say we go on a holiday. But if we are Americans, we will say we go on a vacation. There are lots of difference like lift, elevator, which both use in India. But the difference is that lift is for Britishers people and elevator is by American people. Here we have a main difference among is that mobile phone versus cell phone. We both use in India, mobile phone and cell phone, but the most common one is smartphone. Now, I would like to tell you the another difference. Another difference is of the spelling. As we all know that Britishers mainly adopt the word from German and French, whereas American write words how they spoke, like color. For Britishers, the color spelling is COLOUR, but for American, the color spelling is COLOR. Both are color, both are pronounced color, but the difference is only U. Second one is grey. For Britishers, the spelling of grey is GRAY, but for Americans, grey spelling is GRAY. So the difference is that it's only of spelling. Now, the third difference is that grammar. As we all know that grammar is basically common, but for Americans and Britishers, there are differences. Like for Britishers, countable nouns are both plural and singular. For examples like the band are playing. It depends on the contrast situation. But for American, collective noun is always singular. Like the band is playing. The second difference is that British more use formal words, whereas American use non-formal words. Like for example, Britishers use shall, whereas American use will or should. That's the basic difference. So today I would like to tell you is that it doesn't matter how we speak, how we understand the basic thing is that we all are connected by a main language, a singular language, that is English. So we can say that it's a universal language, because if we go in any part of the world, from north to south, from east to west, we can connect by people by speaking English. It doesn't matter their vocabulary, spellings, and grammar. So we would like to tell you that what is the importance of English. English is very important to be learned in nowadays, because we connect to the whole world. As we Indians, our total book except Hindi all are written in English. So I would like to advise you all to be studying English as possible as you can. Thank you everyone.